In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Xero Demo Company. If you use Xero's demo organization to practice test features or run training sessions, resetting it is a quick way to wipe your experiments and return everything to fresh sample data. This keeps your practice environment clean and consistent without touching any of your real organizations. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into Xero and that you're working with the demo company, not a live one. A reset only applies to the demo company, but it's still a good habit to double check so you don't spend time in the wrong place. Also remember that a reset is permanent for any test work you've done. If there's anything you want to keep for reference, like screenshots of a report or a sample invoice, capture that now. Let's get started. In Xero, look to the top right corner of your screen and click your name. That opens your account menu. This menu is where you can access your profile settings and the area we need next. From that menu, select My Xero. This takes you to the My Xero dashboard, a central place that lists all the organizations your account can access. It's a handy overview, and for our purpose, it's where the demo company controls live. On the My Xero dashboard, locate the demo company tile. Within that tile, choose Reset. That's the command that clears out your practice transactions, contacts, reconciliations, and other demo changes and restores the company back to Xero's standard sample data and settings. Xero may guide you through a brief confirmation to make sure you intend to proceed. Take a moment to read any on-screen notes so you understand what will be removed. When the reset completes, the demo organization will reopen as if it's brand new, with fresh examples and a clean slate to start practicing again. A few quick tips while you're here. If you don't see the reset option, you're likely viewing a live organization instead of the demo company. Switch back to the demo one and check again. If you use the demo for team training, let everyone know you're about to reset so no one is in the middle of a task. And if you're testing a process, you'll want to repeat later. Consider jotting down the steps or saving sample documents before resetting so you can easily recreate them. That's all there is to it. Click your name, open My Xero, and choose Reset on the demo company. You now have a clean practice environment ready for your next walkthrough. Thanks for watching and happy learning in Xero.